Welcome. In today's video, we'll learn how to return all elements of an array except the last one. This is a simple yet powerful method using JavaScript slice function. This approach is useful in many situations like data trimming or previews. Let's dive in and understand how it works step by step. Sometimes you only need a part of an array minus the end. This is especially useful when slicing logs, previews, or samples. We'll use slice with a clever negative index trick. Let's break it down with a simple example. The initial function takes an array and returns all but the last item. It uses slice, 0 and -1, which means from the start to 1 before the end. This does not mutate the original array, it merely creates a new one. Let's walk through how this works with different inputs. The method begins at index 0 and goes up to the last index excluded. Negative index, -1, tells slice to stop just before the final item. You end up with everything except the last value. Let's now see how it performs with a variety of examples. These examples show the method working with different data types, whether it's numbers or strings. Slice removes the last value cleanly. It's predictable and handles empty or single element arrays too. Let's look at where this trick can be useful in real-world apps. In using interfaces, you might want to preview items except the last, or maybe skip the last log entry when showing debug output. This technique also helps in parsing structured data safely. Let's wrap up with a quick summary of what we've learned. This is a clean, readable solution using a single line of code. It is memory safe and does not touch your original array. Now you know how to exclude the last element in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. We'll see you in the next one.